Hey y'all, welcome back. Today we are doing part 2 of the painting of our bedroom. Y'all, I can't wait till the end of this video because I'm finally starting to see what our dream bedroom is going to look like once everything is done. So between yesterday's video and today's video, the focus was getting this big wall painted white and the door painted white. So I needed to go back in and do a second and in some areas third coat of this white paint. If you missed yesterday's video, I will have that at the end of this video, but I'll go ahead and mention that we used the Valspar 2000 interior paint and primer mix, and the shade was High Hide White. I don't know if they still have that shade. We bought these like a couple years ago, maybe a year or so ago, so hopefully they still have it. If you like this, it's like a super bright white, and the finish is eggshell, which I really like because it's not super satiny and it's really easy to clean. So I'm gonna keep on painting. We're gonna do a little bit of rearranging. This is going to be so much fun, so I hope you enjoy this video. If you're new here and you like homemaking, decorating, cooking, cleaning, DIYs, and home projects, I would love for you to hit that subscribe button. And as always, thank you so much for everybody that has continued to watch these videos. Y'all are awesome.
Got every little string on me. The way you make me feel is crazy. How did you get so fly? You got me like my. You got me like my. You got me like there's no other than you now, baby. Nah, 'cause you got me like my. Can we work it out? Only time will tell. It's gonna take a lot, 'cause we've been through hell.
We also plan to paint these ceilings white because they are just super dingy, but I have been putting it off because they're dusty, and we have the popcorn ceiling, so I'm sure it's so much easier. Like, just me turning on this voiceover like, Kimmy, just take a wash rag and wash the walls, wash the ceiling. It's not that hard, but like in my head I think, oh, there's dust that clings on every little edge of the popcorn ceiling, and I have to get that clean first before I can go through and paint. But you know what, like all these projects, we just gotta get in there and do it, and we'll figure it out as we go. So I like making these videos now because it just shows that you don't have to have a lot of money. You don't have to have a lot of things to work with. You can use exactly what you got. And I bet there's a lot of things around your house that you could use to go towards different types of updates you want to do in your home. So always just look out for creative things to help you. So I was super excited because we rearranged the way that the dressers are. So that little one we put over there by the door yesterday, and then over here in front of our bedroom, our dresser used to be up against this white wall, but now we're going to put it up against that blue wall. at least until we like replace furniture and beds and all that, because basically everything in the bedroom I want to replace. But we're using what we got and we're working with what we got because we can get things done in the meantime. We don't have to wait, we don't have to put it off until we have all the right things. We can just go ahead and start now. So here is what everything looks like pulled out of the dresser. And Aaron helped me. He took the legs off because two of them were kind of really broken badly. And we ended up just taking all the legs off. So much easier to move furniture when you pull out all the drawers. Don't be like me and try to move stuff with everything still in there. But I'm just kind of visualizing, like getting an idea of, will this fit here? And I think it's going to work out. I would think before we even need to put the air conditioner back in the window that everything will be done anyways, so we might not even have this dresser by that time because it is super long. Like, I think it would be a better idea to get a tall dresser instead of this really wide one. That way it's more taking up vertical space than it is horizontal space, which when you live in a small home, vertical space and storage is your best friend. So I'm just going to get all of these back into the dresser, which looks a little weird without its legs, but at least now it doesn't wobble on us and it's not going to break anymore. And we got about 1 more minute and then I'm going to show y'all what the bedroom looks like.
Give me a reason to get out of bed. I need a minute to think, or maybe 2. 'Cause yesterday I lost control and said some things I felt that you should know. I need a day to clear my mind and leave it all behind. It's gonna be okay, no matter come what may. I'm gonna set things straight tomorrow. I let my worries fade, let them sweep away. There'll be another day.
Alright, y'all, here is where we are at in the progress of our dream bedroom. So we've still got the floor to do and 2 walls to paint white and that ceiling. And then we'll be able to replace the bed, probably the bedding, the dresser, and curtains. We're just going to completely redo all the decor type stuff in this room. But I love how it looks now, and I'm starting to see what it can look like with a little bit of effort and just a little bit of materials. So that gallon of paint cost us around $20 at the time. I don't know if they're more expensive now, but I still have more than half of it left. So we'll be able to finish this room and probably do the ceiling too. I can't wait to have the hard floors in here and start decorating. So stay tuned for more. Thank you so much for being here. Y'all make these types of videos possible for us. So it really means everything to me. I know I say that all the time, but I hope that God continues for me to have a grateful heart because I really appreciate it. So I will see y'all back here tomorrow. Bye.